This is Lopesina Street, little bumpy, and this street gets a little busy, especially in rush hours. At night, the street is ours. This is my first time talking behind the camera, so I apologize for being a newbie. I also don't plan vlogging. This is only just a test. I like to film short videos cinematically-ish. Anyway, my camera is the Insta360 X5. I'm shooting at 8K 30 fps. That's all my setup. Hi to my wife if you're watching. She's actually at MOA Arena watching volleyball. I think Dreamline versus Chongqing, I don't know. Okay. I'm home. Stop recording.